Why did Jacob Ngarivhume's bail decision spark so much debate? Let's break it down. Jacob Ngarivhume, leader of the Transform Zimbabwe Party, was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct and participating in an unlawful gathering. He, along with activist Kelvin Gandhi, was taken into custody after a meeting at the residence of CCC faction leader Jameson Timba. Prosecutors claimed Ngarivhume was one of nearly 80 opposition activists at the unsanctioned gathering. They opposed bail, citing his history of inciting violence and potential to influence witnesses. The magistrate initially denied bail, leading to ongoing detention for both men. However, the High Court recently granted Ngarivhume bail for $100. This decision has been met with various reactions, with some, like Gift Ostalo Saziba, defending Ngarivhume's character and stressing that he is no criminal. Ngarivhume and Gandhi are scheduled to appear in court again on August 30th for trial. Stay tuned for more updates on this case. Subscribe for the latest news in Zimbabwean politics.